Bro, oh my god. Bro, oh my god. Please keep pumping, bro. We need to hit like 30k minimum, bro. This is actually a terrible bug, but I don't care, bro. I think we can make it to 30k. Bro, come on. Bro, in less than 5 minutes, we're already up here, bro. Just keep pumping, Alright, we're basically at 20k, so what you guys want to do to remove liquidity, go back to the website, click on the minus button, 100%, then remove liquidity. Come on, bro, this website. Okay, good. Now, and then boom! Oh my god, we just made... I made over $925,000 the last 2 months, and it's all sitting right here in my Phantom wallet. Solana meme coins made it happen, and I'll show you how I did it one step at a time. Bro, are you guys tired of losing all of your money trading these meme coins? I am sure you are. Now, the reason why you clicked on this video is to gain intel, things that people didn't know, how you're gonna make it. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly, so stay tuned. Now, if we go over to this meme coin, for example, it started at 0 and is going to end at 0. What I'm about to show you guys is this. We are going to create a coin, wait for buyers, and then just dump it. As simple as that. Now, the thing that is common with all of these coins, like I said before, all ending at 0. So the traders are guaranteed a loss. I'm telling you guys, if you trade these meme coins, you are a complete idiot. I'm telling you, creating coins has never been easier. Now, how are you guys going to create it? Going on coinlabs.fun. This website will allow you guys to create coins of your own with good narratives, and you can even copy trending coins, which I'm about to show you guys later in the video. Now, the beautiful thing with this website is that it's fully repeatable. You can create your coins every single day, anytime you want, until you are successful and you are rich. Now, the feeling is like none other. I'm telling you guys, once you make that one good coin, keep saying it, one good coin, like myself, it changed my life completely. So stay tuned. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. Now, the reason why you guys will want to create your coins on coinlabs.fun is for a couple of reasons. First, there is no coding required, so you guys do not have to know how to code. Second of all, your coins are instantly launched on the Raydium DEX. Now, what is the Raydium DEX? It is basically when your coin hits the graduated category. So when you create your coin on coinlabs.fun, your token will instantly be put here and you will get way more buys. Here it is more visible to everybody which coin is being created. Now, if you were to create your coin Pump.Fun, this is the reason why you shouldn't, and it's basically every single coin that is created on Pump.Fun needs to go through a bonding curve when your coin hits like 90,000 in market cap, and that takes a shit ton of time. It takes like 30 minutes to bring your liquidity pool from Pump.Fun to Raydium. It's just a big waste of time, and yeah guys, you will not get as many buys as you would on the Raydium DEX. So this is why Coinlabs is the way to go. Now, my favorite feature on coinlabs.fun is actually the copy trending coins tab. Now, what this tab does is it goes through all of Bullex, all of Pump.Fun, and goes through all of Photon, trying to find coins that are proven concepts. These coins, all of these coins here are proven concepts. These will make money. And my 3 golden rules for this is to find a coin with over $30,000 in market cap and to assure that it has enough traction to support itself. Then my second rule is to have a last bought in under 15 seconds ago so that it is still trending. And my third rule is the narrative. You have to have a good narrative that is active, a narrative that is in the news, something that is important. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so we're going to create a coin right now. We're going to refresh the list. So okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap, last bought about 15 seconds ago, has a valid narrative. So we're going to create the coin. Just going to write my password. Now, don't mind this, just proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm, all right. Now the website is currently creating my token. So all you have to do is wait, and then boom, that is your coin token address that has been created. Now if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%, and then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're going to be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed. And then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second, and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch, and bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove the liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.